Today I'll show you how to build an FPV RC car. It can go anywhere you don't dare to. You can even control the camera to rotate for a full view of your surroundings. Welcome to my channel. If you love DIY conversions, subscribe. Everything can be FPV. Let's get straight to the point. First, let's go over the basics. RC cars are simple. Your remote sends signals to drive forward, backward, left, and right. Today we'll add a rotating gimbal. It works just like the steering servo. A servo controls left and right movement. The steering servo uses the steering channel. The gimbal servo needs an extra free channel. The camera sends a live video feed to the VTX receiver. The receiver then outputs via HDMI to your remote screen. Now you can drive remotely with live FPV. Way simpler than my head tracking build, right? Okay, let's start building. Here's what you need: a HGL-RC digital VTX with the CAGS template, and its matching receiver with HDMI out. It works with AX12 Android remotes that have HDMI in. Grab a mini HDMI to HDMI cable to connect them. This is a Beta FPV ELRS PWM receiver. You'll also need a gimbal mount, a 360 degrees servo, a 5V VTX cooling fan, and of course, an RC car. Now let's convert it. Most newbies think you need a flight controller for VTX. Nope, digital VTX works standalone. Just connect positive and negative for power. Other wires are for the flight controller. Just tape or insulate them if in use. The VTX is ready. Now let's make the gimbal. Most cars have no gimbal mount. I designed a base plate and cut it with a laser cutter. No laser? Use 3D print or even plastic cards. Attach the mount and servo. I kept it simple with one pan servo. Install the VTX. Run the VTX antenna cable into the 3D printed antenna holder. Tidy up the wires. The gimbal assembly is done. Now install the receiver. Plug in the stock ESC and servo wires, throttle, steering, diff lock, and so on. Only the gimbal servo is new. Plug it into an empty channel. I use channel 7. Connect the fan to channel 8. My car uses a 3S battery, which is perfect voltage for the VTX. Use a Y cable to power both the car and VTX. Everything works normally. Now hook up the VTX receiver and remote. Attach the antenna to the receiver. Connect HDMI to the receiver and mini HDMI to the remote. Add a memory card for recording. Power the receiver via DC 5521. Turn on the remote. Double press the power key to switch to video input. This is the FPV feed. Adjust brightness here. Mount the receiver on your remote. Glue it on the back or use a mount. Power on the car. Now you see the live FPV feed. The FPV system is complete. Now set up the remote. Set your ELRS module refresh rate to the ones marked with a dash. If your servo jumps, you pick the wrong mode. Find the remote to the ELRS receiver and assign channels. With the right stick centered, up and down control forward and reverse, left and right control steering. Map other channels to diff lock for WD, high and low speed, and more. The gimbal is on channel 7, so I assign channel 7 to the left stick. Now the left stick controls gimbal pan. You can also use a knob, it's up to you. The FPV RC car conversion is finished. Let's test it. Just sit back, turn on some music, and drive. Watch the FPV screen, drive forward, and look left and right. Want tilt? Add a pitch servo. This build lets you drive beyond visual range with an immersive first-person view. Normal RC cars can't go out of sight. 5.8G VTX has limited ground range because obstacles block signals. For longer range, use 4G or 5G VTX over cellular network. This is a basic build. Later I'll share stabilized gimbal installs, head tracking setups, and more for smoother footage and more realistic driving. Check my page for more tutorials. If this helped, subscribe and support. See you next time.